Hi ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Hi all, how are you? So today we'll discuss some important words which with we form the sentences in Kannada. First one is I, me means ನಾನು. I, me means what? ನಾನು. Second one, you. You means ನೀನು. You means what? ನೀನು. This is singular form. If you want to give respect or a plural form, then you means ನೀವು. You means what? ನೀವು. This is the plural form. Then yours means ನಿನ್ನ. Yours means what? ನಿನ್ನ. Second, our. Our means what? ನಮ್ಮ. Our means what? ನಮ್ಮ. Next one is my, mine means ನನ್ನ. My also ನನ್ನ, mine also ನನ್ನ. Next one is that. That means what? ಅದು. That means ಅದು. Okay. This. This means ಇದು. That means ಅದು. This means ಇದು. ಇದು. Those. Those means what? ಅವು. Those means ಅವು. Those means ಅವು. These. ಇವು. These means what? ಇವು. Next, those people. ಅವರು. Plural form. These people. ಇವರು. Okay. So, maximum Kannada sentences will form with these words. Okay. So, for example, I am going to school. Okay. Or I go to school. So, how will write? I means what? ನಾನು. So, ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. How will write in Kannada? This is means ಇದು ನನ್ನ, ನಮ್ಮ. Our means ನಮ್ಮ. So ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. Next one is ಅದು. I want that. For example, I want that. I will write ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. Like this you should form the sentences. I will explain once again orally. So I, me means ನಾನು. You, ನೀನು. You, ನೀವು. This is a plural form. Yours, ನಿನ್ನ. Our, ನಮ್ಮ. My, mine, ನನ್ನ. That, ಅದು. This, ಇದು. Those, ಅವು. These, ಇವು. Those people, ಅವರು. These people, ಇವರು. So how we will form the sentences? I am going to school. ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. This is my home. ಇದು this is our home. So ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. I want that. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. if you want to write like I want this means instead of adu you should add idu nanage beku, like that. For more updates, please like and subscribe my channel Learn Kannada with Shruti. If you are not getting anything in Kannada, whether it may be a lesson, poem or any conversation, any words or any grammar part, anything you can ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.